So let's see the property 2 of conic section of parabola. Right. So for that, let S be focus of the parabola. Focus of parabola. So it is y square equal to 4ax. Right. So a is greater than 0. And PQ bar be focal chord. Right. Then the 1 upon SP plus 1 upon SQ is equal to 1 upon A. This relation you have to obtain. Proof. Let P T1 and Q T2 be the end point of focal chord. End point of focal chord. Right. So the coordinates of the focus are, so coordinates of focus is A comma 0 and coordinates of P and Q are, so P coordinates is A T1 square comma 2A T1 and Q coordinates are A T2 square comma 2A T2. So we can find the distance, that is SP square is equal to A T1 square minus of A whole square plus 2A T1 square whole square. Right. So solve it, then what is the conclusion? Let's see. So it is, so expand this on the square formula. So it will be what? So it is, so it is A square T1 square plus A square minus of 2A square T1 square plus 4A square T1 square. Right. So what is the observation? This term is of the like term. So it is already a square now, so it will be 4 times now. So it is A square T1 raised to 4 plus A square minus 2A square T1 square plus 4A square T1 square. So this is the like term. Note this one. So it is A square T1 raised to 4 plus A square plus 2A square T1 square. So it is A plus B whole square. So you can write as A T1 square plus of A whole square. Understood up to this point? So take A common from this. So it is A T1 square plus of 1. Similarly for SQ. SQ is A T2 square plus of 1. Right. So this is your SP square value. Right. SP value. We have taken the under root. And this is SQ. So now put in the relation, this relation. Right. So relation is 1 upon SP plus 1 upon SQ is equal to 1 upon A. SP is what? It is A T1 square plus of 1 plus 1 upon A T2 plus of 1 is equal to 1 upon A. Right. So take the LCM. So LCM is what? LCM A is common. So here it is T2 square plus 1 plus it is T1 square plus of 1. So denominator will be t1 square plus 1 into t2 square plus of 1 is equal to 1 upon a. So a and a will get cancelled, right? So add these two and these two. So it will be t1 square plus t2 square plus of 2 is equal to t1 square plus 1 into t2 square plus of 1. So now multiply, so it will be t1 square into t2 square plus t1 square plus of t2 square plus of 1, right? So it is equal to t1 square plus of t2 square plus of 2, right? So this part will get cancelled. So 2 minus 1, it is equal to t1 square into t2 square. So it is equal to 1 t1 square into t2 square. So t1 into t2 is equal to 1. So this is the relation we have obtained, right? So please write up to this point, or you can directly write like this also. So write up to this point first, then I will tell you the next short form.